Tired of clicking through every single comment to delete them in Smartsheet? Learn how to mass delete all comments in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to delete comments row by row, including how to handle threads. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage. Then, open the sheet you want to work with. Click the Comments icon for the row that has the comment you want to delete. Hover over that comment to reveal its options. Click the 3-dot More menu next to the comment. Then select Delete Comment from the menu. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Delete to confirm. Repeat these steps for each remaining comment you want to remove. Keep in mind that if a row has multiple comments in a thread, you'll need to delete each one individually, unless you can remove the entire thread at once. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.